Ever wished Excel could speak your language or any other language? Today I'll show you how to turn simple sentences into multilingual magic using just one formula. So let's learn how we can do this.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here you can see that I have listed some simple sentences of the English that I want to translate into some other text. For this purpose, here in this cell, I'll write equal and I will make use of the translate function. So I will write translate. Here in the syntax, I first need to specify the text. So I will select this cell. After this, I need to provide the code of the source language. So in inverted commas, I will write EN, that is the code for English. Next, I will provide the code of the language in which I want to translate this text. So for example, if I want to convert this into Urdu, I will write UR, that is the code of Urdu, and close the parenthesis and hit enter. And for the rest of the cell, I will drag it down. So you can see that we can easily convert our text into any other language. In case we don't know the code of the language, we'll go to the formula bar, and here you can see that the complete name of the languages are given along with the code. So we can scroll it down to the desired language and then hit enter. Now that Excel speaks your language, hit subscribe for more smart Excel tricks that make your data truly global. Thanks for watching. See you next time.